In this video, I will show you a detailed overview of Gist CRM's pricing plans and help you determine which plan is best for you in 2024. For your convenience, the link of Gist CRM in the description below so you can try it out. Let's get started. Gist CRM offers three main pricing plans: free, professional, and premium. The free plan is perfect for solopreneurs and small businesses looking to manage their contacts and communication effectively. It includes basic CRM features like contact management, email marketing, and live chat, making it a great entry-level option. They charge nothing at all. Next, we have the professional plan, which is ideal for growing businesses that need more advanced features. This plan includes automation workflows, sales pipelines, and integrations with third-party apps, making it suitable for businesses looking to scale their operations. It charges $29 per month. Finally, the premium plan is designed for larger businesses with complex CRM needs. It includes advanced reporting and analytics, custom dashboards, and priority support, making it the best option for businesses that require a high level of customization and support. It charges $99 per month. So, which plan is best for you in 2024? If you're just starting, the free plan is a cost-effective option to get you up and running. However, if you're looking to grow your business and need more advanced features, the professional plan is a better choice. For larger businesses with complex CRM needs, the premium plan offers the most comprehensive set of features and support. Click the link in the description to try Gist CRM for free and see which plan works best for you.